Lord, I've got to keep to you these 5 words when I thank you for loving me, for being my eyes when I couldn't see, for finding my lips when I couldn't breathe. Thank you for loving me. Thank you for loving me. Never knew I had a dream until the dream was you.